In this short tutorial, I'm going to talk you through how we're going to use transform variables. When you have your data set and it's all cleaned, you still often want new variables. So let's have a look at the data. What we have here is a variable called age, and it measures people's age. But let's say I want to see whether there's a difference between individuals who are over and under 50. To do that, we're going to need to transform this variable into a variable that really says somebody's over and under 50. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on transform. This creates a new variable which we will name over 50. We can give it a description if you wish. The source variable will be the variable you want to convert. And here we're going to create a transformation. Now we can give this transformation a name as well and a description. The suffix allows you to add a suffix, let's say age, and then every time you use this transformation later, and I'll show you how to do that, the new variable will have age as a suffix at the end, but we won't add a suffix to this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a recode condition here. You can click on that. Oops, and again. And so basically what we're doing is we're creating an if-else loop. So we're going to say if our variable age is over or greater than 50, we're going to give him the label name over 50. And then in any other condition, they're obviously going to be below the age of 50, we could call them under 50. But you see, yes. So one thing that you have to remember with labels is that if the labels are text, you always have to surround them in parentheses. If you don't, you're going to get an error like I've just gotten here. So as you can see, the variable has transformed this very easily, and now we could use that new variable which measures if somebody's over and under 50. I mentioned that we can save it and we can use the transformation again. So let's say we wanted to do the same transformation on a similar variable. We could go to transform again, and we can select pre-existing variables like here, click over 50, and it does it again without having to set the conditions again and again. That is something that will come in useful, particularly when you're standardizing variables and things like that. So hopefully this is useful.